Alright, well, welcome to the video, you guys. This video is just kind of all over the place. Last night we got this, I don't know if it's just I don't know. We just got this kick to just tear apart the van and redo everything. So that's kind of what we did on Christmas with Addie. So we actually moved the blower over here, all the Milwaukee stuff tucked in real nice. Put the light just above the buckets and move those batteries over there to get in all this space on this wall. We still have all the space over here too. So we actually moved the Max Shine brush thing right here. This was right there where that tape is, but as you can see, I heard a loud crash last night. Coming here this morning, liquid everywhere. I just filled up the Speed Shine bottle, completely poured it on the floor. But I mean, hey, I wasn't sure how it was gonna work, and it just proved that it wasn't gonna work. So yeah. Right now we're going to go ahead and figure out how we're going to get that mounted, and then our pressure washer mount is supposed to be showing up today, but we'll see. So yeah, it's day after Christmas, you know. I'm not sure if it's going to show up because 8 million people got packages coming probably, so yeah. We won't be too optimistic about it showing up, but if it shows up, it shows up. So that'd be really sick if it showed up because I want to get that thing moved and rerouted. So let's go ahead and try and figure out how we're going to get this thing hung up. Alright, well, we were able to get it all mounted up. I just had to actually drill some holes into it, one on either side, so I could fit the drill through the hole. I had to insert it from in here. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but we got it bolted down. This thing is not going anywhere, and looks very nice. I like this a lot more because now we have all of this. I kind of want to figure out if I can get that off the wall too, because I kind of want to put one of those bench seats that turns into a bench and a bed. My camera's about to die, so I'll get back to you guys in just a minute. Okay, we're back with a fresh battery now, but yeah, I think this setup is way cleaner. I think it's going to function better, and we'll be able to use this space for other things, like something that I can use for adventuring. Not so much work. That was the whole plan with this. Get as much space as possible for adventure things, and really simplify this setup to make it as tight and neat as we can. And so far we're doing a great job. I mean, this is probably what takes up the most space, but that's okay. It's very sleek and organized and designed well, I feel. Yeah, I mean, there's really nothing I can do to get rid of any of this right here. I need all this stuff. Same with right here. Very compact, need all of it, so can't go anywhere with that stuff. But hey, I think it looks great. I think we are doing a fine job at this, but we're gonna wait and see if our pressure washer mount shows up today, and hopefully install that. So we're just gonna wait for probably UPS to show up. Hopefully they show up, because I want to get this done. But yeah, I'll see you guys when they show up. Well, it has been a day now, and the pressure washer shelf finally showed up. We're going to go ahead and get this sucker open for you guys, and then get this pressure washer all unhooked, get it ready to get moved up there. So let's get this box open. Alright. Let's see what we're working with in here. Should be black, the color I'm working with, because I feel like it matches the dark theme we got going on in here. Box is quite heavy. Alright, let's see here. This is also taped up. Looks like we're going to have to build this thing and stand correctly. Alright, we got bolts, shelf. This thing's well packaged. You can see it right there. Got the little Timber logo with the Polka Premium on the other side. This is a very nice shelf. I like this. Alright. Oh, that's bubble wrap. Let's see what we're working with here. How does this connect? Oh, whoops, we're on the wrong way. There we go. Alright, we're going to go get the rest of the tools we're going to need to finish getting this thing all bolted down. Alrighty, you guys, well, we got our holes drilled. As you can see, we messed up right there, but no need. got it fixed. I thought the holes were the same on both sides, but they are a little bit different. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this thing mounted up top now that we have our holes drilled, and then we gotta go to the hardware store and get bolts because I do not have the correct size. Well, I have the correct size thread, but like I don't have the exact fit because there's the threads on that are not very deep. So gonna need a shallower bolt, but for now we're gonna go ahead and get this thing mounted on the bolt. We got the pressure washer all mounted. I didn't film that part because it fell on me and it was just a big, huge issue. So right now we just have it sitting right on the bottom of the pressure washer. We'll see if this works. It might not. I might need to figure out how I can get those things under this pressure washer because I don't know if it's gonna rattle like crazy or what. So we'll just have to wait and see when we use it. Hopefully not. Hopefully don't do nothing because that was a pain in the butt. We have 2 bolts holding it on. This thing's sturdy to the wall, so hopefully we should be good there, but we'll definitely be watching it because I don't really trust it. But I think it looks clean. Much cleaner setup. We need to get some weight on this wall because there's not enough weight over here in the back. All the weight's on this side, so yeah, we'll have to figure out what we're putting over here. Our TV mount did show up though, so we'll be installing that too. Right now we're going to get some parts for another video. So yeah, we're gonna stop right here and then we'll resume when we're back. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we're back. Alright, well, we're back from Vancouver, and right now we're gonna figure out where we're gonna mount this TV. We need to figure out how high this TV is from the mount so we don't mount it too high and it hits the roof. So we're gonna go ahead and figure that out right now. We'll throw you guys on the tripod, hit a little time lapse, and yeah, we'll show you the finished product. Alrighty, you guys, we got the TV all hung. Oh, there goes the tripod. Anyways, we got the TV all hung. This mount, one thing I don't like about it is those little tightening things don't work enough. Like, TV flops around. I actually had to use some vice grips to get it super tight, so I'm just going to keep a set of these in the van to tighten up the mounts and loosen them. I just like it super tight because I do not want this TV falling off the wall. So yeah, we'll just have to keep some vice grips in here. But that's not a big deal. I am just loving how the inside of this fan is coming out. We got a TV, pressure washers up there, vacuum reel. This thing comes out far enough to where you can point it that way. I mean, it's just it's perfect. It's perfect. We've just really cleaned this setup up very nicely. I mean, just so nice and neat. It just looks so much better in here. I feel like I'll never stop improving how I have this van laid out. Like, it's just like one thing after another. Like, that's just how it goes, I guess. I mean, this thing's gonna go through so many different iterations and builds. It's gonna be changing every week at this point. But yeah, we'll go ahead and go inside, get some grub, and then come back out here, plug it all in, make sure everything's dialed in, and then we'll call that a night. Call this a video. So I'm gonna go get some food, and I'll see you guys in a little. Alright, we're just grabbing our power cord right now, dragging it over to the van, make sure everything is working how it should. Should have enough cable. This will probably wouldn't hurt to throw the other battery in here. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and drag that wire in real quick. We got our cord connected. Let's go ahead and here. Remote. Hit the power button. Power. Oh, it's not plugged in. We need the extension. Alright, now it's plugged in. There we go. Sweet. The setup is so legit. Like I said, the bracket, I mean, for 40 bucks, you can't complain, but definitely think that it could lock in a little better. I mean, I think it'll be alright. Should be. I mean, if it falls off, it's not a big of a deal. It's only 130 bucks, but, you know, just if it was like a $500 TV, definitely might want to figure a different mount out. Something that's a little more locking for bumpy roads and stuff. But is it going to turn on? Oh, it turned on. What's going on here? There we go. Oh. Well, that's kind of interesting. Good old YouTube. I really like how this thing pans both ways, though. It sucks that we have this wall here and not swivel seats, because if you think about it, passenger could swivel and be watching TV while we're on the road, but, I mean, we will be buying the little screen that goes in there, and it says that you can screen share with your phone, so that, hopefully that'll be sweet, but check it out. So sweet. Alright, well, there you have it. Got the pressure washer all mounted up. Much better location. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the wall. Same goes with the TV. Looks sweet. Hopefully that does not fall off the wall. One thing I didn't think about is... oh. The handrail's going to hit that. I guess we'll have to... I mean, once we pan it over, it won't be as big of a deal, but... should have thought of that. Oh well. Easy fix. We just loosen it and move it a little bit. But yeah, there you have it. Mounted TV, mounted pressure washer, looking very snazzy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video, stay tuned. We're gonna be installing what is it? It's like a light toggle switch for like basically a control panel for any lights or anything like that. So we'll be installing that. I forget who makes that. You'll just have to wait and see the video. We have it inside when you install that. Then the video after that, you guys will really like. Product just dropped actually January 1st. It's not even out yet, but they're shipping it to me already, so that's awesome. But I am stoked for this mod. This mod's gonna be sweet. I've been trying to figure this out forever, and someone finally came out with this mod, so stay tuned. Other than that, it's going to end off the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys think the setup is getting cooler and cooler. I think it is. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. You guys let me know. But yeah, that's going to end off the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, peace.